know it's Corona now, but I want my Denny's. Don't fucking leave that in there. Oh, we're going to this one?
Yeah, buddy!
Man.
Oh!
Show them where fucking Kittyland is.
Kittyland!
It's about fun.
Dude, it's not even open, bro. They're not even.
What the hell? No! This is the worst day of my life.
Subway.
Oh.
We're at fucking Denny's.
This makes for great content.
I thought you said fort. I like the fort.
Okay. What did you get?
Denny's easy.
I got food.
No, I know, but what did you get to drink?
You'll see. Come see.
Oh.
You got a drink?
This is why I got mango.
They do have, I think it's some of his alcoholic beverages.
That'd be perfect.
I do want like
Oh, this mango smack.
okay.
What'd you
I'm
get?
getting-
Orange
I'm getting,
juice?
uh,
Orange juice twins.
Orange juice.
Even triplets, dude.
Triplets. Oh my god. Sir, I'm confronting you at a deck. Oh, bro, I got corona now.
I mean, you did before, just saying.
Alright, we're shutting that up. How did it bug you?
It's good.
Yeah.
You want to tell the viewers what you got?
No. You could see, right?
Egg.
What did you get? A Ewing?
Oh,
I'm being, what is it?
a burger. I got a slam burger.
What is it? The one that's always grumpy. Doesn't like vegetables and all that. He's like, it's weird.
Oscar the Grouch?
No. It's a. Dumbass laugh.
Ron Swanson.
It's food.
Damn, I'm
You
kidding.
eat it, then there.
Where do I begin? The Super Swam. Oh no! What the fuck, man? I can't. You made me laugh at that, you ass. You showed it to me. Whatever.
Yeah. How could you make him laugh?
Yeah, right. Cause
I can't believe you made him laugh.
right, cause I forced him to fucking laugh. Right.
You're a piece of shit.
I fucking tickled the shit out of his
suck.
nuts, bro.
What's wrong with you?
Fucking
Don't ever
piece
do
of
that
shit.
again. All right? Stop.
You know how your finger feels?
Very warm.
What? What happened?
He bit into the cup.
I've been to a spoon.
Did you really?
No, I bashed my.
Imagínate.
Oh no! What the
Pinche hambre.
Pero te imaginas que y es vanilla. Ah, no, es un pedazo de diente.
You eating poop?
You want some?
No, I'm good.
Delicioso.
Show the viewers I'm all done.
That's how he leaves his
I'm
toilet
all
bowl.
done.
Sorry,
Cochino.
Holy shit! There's a fucking blizzard. Holy crap! Shit! Holy shit! All this for breakfast, everybody.
Hey, that's my friend's camera. Sorry, sir.
He's dead now, boy. And what else did we do when we went to Denny's?
What?
We went to Donley's.
We went to Daniel's. We got fucking Grand Slams.
Oh yeah, Grand Slam.
We had Body Slam, Super Slam, Grand Slam, fucking Slam on a bun.
We had all the slams. I had barely showed my face in this one.
Dude, Super Slam Bros.
Slam, yo. We were the only ones there at Denny's though. That was cool though.
That was fun.
That was fun. It was in the middle of the fucking blizzard. We were all able to like sit down and
Slam
chat.
Jam.
Slam jam, dude. Those pancakes smacked.
Those
I never finished
slammed.
two. Holy shit! I never finished more than two, but I had a big appetite and that just hit. Cause I wanted hash browns. That's my usual routine with getting breakfast. Would be like a bit of everything: 2 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 eggs, and pancakes or waffles, whatever the fuck they got. I'll stop doing that. It's contagious.
You want to show how freaking snowy it is outside?
I hate the snow. I hate the snow.
Just like drop the bush.
Oh yeah. Drop your bush. Holy fuck, I hate the Midwest. What the fuck, man? Si cayó like a chingo, man. Holy fuck. Look at that. That tree is not always down. That snow brought that shit down. Holy fuck. Let me see that shirt of yours. Hey. I used to have a shirt like that. You know when? Back in middle school, you fucking poser. No. It's nice. I like it.
Moved on to GG or whatever the fuck. Try to get down with the fucking.
Hey, I've been down with that since '98. Before I could even discover what mangoes were. This really sucks, but you gotta do what we gotta do. Sweet home. But at what cost? Holy fuck. Alright, there we freaking go. We made it alive. I don't know how, but that was going to Denny's in the middle of a blizzard. If you guys want to see more content, make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. And check out everybody's socials down in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for checking in. It's fucking cold as shit. It's bad. It's the Midwest. What do you expect? It was like, it's like up to like right here. So like, think about here, snow. It's bad. It's really bad. Anyways, I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired as hell. We had a lot of fun today, but we gotta go to sleep. Bye, everybody.